In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the OCR and scan feature in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you're working with PDFs and looking to enhance scanned documents or images, this powerful tool is exactly what you need. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll want to begin by opening your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Once the file is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface where you'll see the option labeled All Tools. Click on this to access the full range of functionalities that Acrobat offers. From there, locate and select Scan and OCR. This feature is designed specifically for optimizing scanned documents and converting text within those documents into editable formats. Within the Scan and OCR interface, head to the Enhance File section and click on Enhance Scanned File. This is where we can start making real improvements to the quality of your document. At this stage, you'll need to decide which specific page or pages you want to enhance. Simply select those and they'll be ready for the enhancement process. Next, find and click on the Recognize Text checkbox. This option is crucial as it allows the software to identify and transform the text within the scanned document into a format that you can edit and search through, adding a whole new layer of usability to your files. Once you've selected this option, move on by clicking Enhance. This action begins the process of improving the clarity and readability of your document. If instead you are working with an image within your PDF, click on Enhance Camera Image. This step helps optimize the visual quality of captured images, ensuring they're clear and detailed. In the subsequent step, you'll have a choice in the Content drop-down menu. Here you'll be presented with options such as Auto Detect or Whiteboard. Depending on the content you're working with, select the one that best suits your needs. Auto Detect is generally a good choice for most documents, but if you're dealing with whiteboard notes, then selecting Whiteboard might offer better results. After making your selection, finalize this part of the process by clicking Enhance again. This action solidifies the changes and ensures your document or image is processed with the adjustments made. Your last task is to adjust the enhancement settings to your liking. Acrobat allows you to fine-tune these settings to achieve the best possible result tailored to your document's needs. Do a quick review and if necessary, tweak the settings until you're satisfied with how your document or image looks. And there you have it, you've now learned how to effectively use the OCR and scan feature in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to enhance your scanned documents and images. This tool not only makes your PDFs more functional, but also ensures they're clearer and more professional looking. We hope this tutorial was helpful and we look forward to seeing you again in our next video.